The snow leaving the immediate DC metro area, and it performed as we anticipated in the immediate metro, and we knew those numbers would be a little bit higher further east. But in the Thurmont area, we picked up 1.5 inches. Colesville in Montgomery County, about 1/2 inch. Also 1/2 inch in Alexandria. Prince Frederick, Maryland, 3.2 inches. And in Chantilly, Virginia, just over 1/2 inch of snow fell there. But look at these snow reports. We even had reports of some flakes as far down south as the northern Alabama area, from, of course, D.C. up through Jersey, New York, and the Boston area. The arms of this storm stretch mighty wide. In fact, there have been reports of snow in Ocean City getting up to at least 9 inches. We'll likely get a final number later on this afternoon for the amount of snow in Ocean City. Now, blizzard-like conditions will continue in areas such as Ocean City throughout the afternoon and evening. Today's big weather story: windy and very cold out there. Wind gusts today will be between 30 and 45 miles an hour. Wind chills on average today, it's going to feel like we're between 7 and 16 degrees. When you factor in the cold plus the wind chill. And a warming trend is on the way. By next week, we're going to have temperatures in the 50s out there. So much warmer weather is on the way. Here's your future cast. So the noon hour, we can see most areas are clear, perhaps even a little sun breaking out far north and west of D.C. There'll still be a few flakes and flurries left over Salisbury, but by the evening hours, we will see that clear there as well. The winds will continue on. Highs today, 25 to 30. Most of us barely getting around the freezing mark. Most of us will stay quite below that with those temperatures stuck in the 20s. Later on, you can find those wind chills still feeling really cold out there. By 3 o'clock, it still feels like 9 in Gaithersburg and feeling like 13 degrees in D.C. around that hour. So let's talk about the wind chill for a moment. So our bodies radiate heat away from our bodies, but there is this warm layer of air just above our skin that kind of helps to keep us a little bit warm. But when you add the wind chill to it, that begins to complicate things just a bit, because what's happening is you're breaking up that layer of warm air that's left over. And so it's carrying heat away from our bodies, so we feel colder and we lose heat much faster. So that 20 degrees easily feels like around 4 degrees or so. And that is one of the issues that we have with the wind chill. So we do have to be careful of that this afternoon and this evening. You can see those winds gusting up to about 30 miles per hour in D.C. Expect gusts well in excess of 40 miles per hour in the Ocean City area. Highs today around 30. We're up to 34 degrees tomorrow. Not much warmer, but look at the 7-day. Warmer weather is coming. Slightly warmer, I should say. It'll still be cool. 40 at Monday. That's still chilly. 48 degrees on Tuesday. Right around 52 on Wednesday with showers. 58 Thursday. Yeah, that's the day that sticks out like a sore thumb. We're expecting some rain there. We're back down to the 40s by Friday.